Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. Before we dive into today's video, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and turn on notifications. Now, let's get started. The Royal House of Spain has recently taken the opportunity to share a heartfelt collection of photographs that capture the cherished moments of King Felipe VI, Queen Letizia, and their daughters, Princess Leonor and Infanta Sofía, in celebration of the 10th anniversary of the King's proclamation. This year holds a profound significance as it marks a decade since King Felipe VI officially ascended to the throne, and the Royal House has chosen to conclude 2024 with a comprehensive retrospective that highlights the most impactful and memorable moments experienced by the royal family throughout the year. To honor this momentous occasion, the Royal House utilized their social media platforms to unveil a curated selection of images that showcase the royal family's key engagements, milestones, and experiences throughout 2024. On June 19, 2014, Felipe, then known as the Prince of Asturias, undertook a solemn oath of office in a grand ceremony before the Cortes, thereby officially becoming King Felipe VI of Spain. This historic event was attended by Queen Letizia and their two daughters, Princess Leonor and Infanta Sofía, as well as the former monarchs, King Juan Carlos and Queen Sofía, who provided their unwavering support during the significant transition in the legacy of the Spanish monarchy. In recognition of the 10th anniversary of his reign, the Royal House has meticulously selected 20 photographs that they believe encapsulate the essence of the past year. These images are described as reflections of His Majesty the King throughout this year, which marks the 10th anniversary of his proclamation, and serve to illustrate not only the ceremonial duties and responsibilities of the monarchy but also the personal moments that resonate deeply with the public, showcasing the family's values, commitments, and their connection with the Spanish people. Throughout the year, King Felipe has actively engaged in a multitude of public appearances, demonstrating his unwavering dedication to various causes, including social welfare, education, culture, and the promotion of Spanish heritage. Each photograph in the collection tells a unique story, illustrating the King's efforts to connect with citizens from all walks of life and address pressing national issues. The visual narrative not only underscores the evolution of the monarchy but also highlights its role in contemporary society, showcasing how the royal family has adapted to changing times while preserving the traditions that define their legacy. The shared images depict a range of activities, from official state visits and cultural events to intimate family gatherings, emphasizing the balance between duty and family life that King Felipe and Queen Letizia strive to maintain. These moments reflect the warmth and accessibility of the royal family, fostering a sense of connection with the public. The photographs serve as a reminder of the monarchy's relevance and its commitment to serving the people of Spain, reinforcing the idea that they are not merely figures of authority but also representatives of the nation's values and aspirations. As the holiday season approaches, the royal family, like many Spaniards, is embracing this time of year by coming together to celebrate family traditions and create lasting memories. Despite the festive atmosphere, King Felipe made it a priority to deliver his traditional Christmas message, a moment that many citizens eagerly anticipate each year. In his address, he specifically reached out to those affected by recent disasters, conveying his deepest condolences to the victims and their families. His poignant remarks served as a powerful reminder of the challenges faced by many and the critical importance of solidarity and compassion during difficult times. In his message, King Felipe expressed a deep sense of empathy for the individuals who have suffered losses, stating that the lives lost and those who remain missing deserve the utmost respect and remembrance. He emphasized that the pain and sorrow left behind by these tragedies should never be forgotten, and he called upon the nation to stand together in support of those affected. His words resonated deeply, reflecting the monarchy's commitment to social responsibility and its role as a unifying force in the country. Furthermore, the king took a moment to acknowledge and commend the young volunteers who swiftly mobilized to provide aid and assistance in the aftermath of these disasters. Their selfless actions and dedication exemplify the spirit of community and resilience that King Felipe encourages among the citizens of Spain. By recognizing these efforts, King Felipe not only highlights the strength and compassion of the Spanish people but also reinforces the monarchy's commitment to actively engaging with the public and supporting initiatives that promote the welfare of all citizens. In conclusion, the Royal House's sharing of these cherished memories, along with King Felipe's heartfelt Christmas message, serve to strengthen the bond between the monarchy and the people of Spain. As the royal family reflects on a decade of service under King Felipe VI, they continue to inspire unity, compassion, and hope. These gestures remind everyone of the importance of community and support, particularly in times of both joy and adversity. The monarchy plays a vital role in fostering a sense of belonging and togetherness, encouraging citizens to celebrate their shared values and work collaboratively towards a brighter future for Spain. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the Spanish monarchy. Thanks for watching till the end.